How to change Binance entity account to your personal account here on your browser or on your account on your PC. To get verified and start your crypto journey or to change your Binance entity account to your personal account, what you have to do is check onto the official Binance website in front of you. And here I will show you that how you can change it or how you can disable the Binance app. Log into your Binance app and go to the account information setting on your phone, and then you have to click on the security option tab here available on your profile. From this menu, you have to click on the manage account option and then click on stone the account. As you can see, there is an option to disable the account. Now you simply have to read it carefully and click on the OK button to disable your account, and then you can change your account easily after deactivating once. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more reviews, updates and technical videos like this.